vision like our true leader. Isn't it or not? And yes, we will become true leaders. And sir, it's a promise from all the people here, all the beneficiaries here, that we will become global graduates and strong leaders like you with a true vision in our heads and hands. And sir, on this day, I would like to thank you and express my gratitude on behalf of all the beneficiaries here, because you have a great vision for our state education. We will not only see graduates, but we will see skilled and employable graduates, because skilled and employable graduates is not a simple thing. It's a great thing for people in Andhra. And sir, it's an honor for me to share the stage with you today. I thank each and everyone for making me stand on this stage. Before I leave, I'd like to make a mark with a quote. I just remember a quote from an advertisement which goes like this: Baki bakwas, buj gaya pyas, baki bakwas. Which means we are under the governance of a true leader who has got a vision. He is empowered and he will empower us. Thank you so much, sir, for becoming the CM of this state. It's an honor for us to see you on stage. We pray for you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Amma. విద్యార్థుల జీవితాలలో ఉషోదయపు వెలుగులతో జగనన్న విద్యా దీవెన, విదేశీ విద్య లాంటి అద్భుతమైనటువంటి పథకాలు అందిస్తూ విద్యార్థుల భవిష్యత్తుకు బాటలు వేస్తూ బాసటగా నిలుస్తున్నటువంటి మన రాష్ట్ర ముఖ్యమంత్రి వర్యులు శ్రీ వైఎస్ జగన్మోహన్ రెడ్డి గారి సందేశం.
మీ అందరి చిక్కటి చిరునవ్వుల మధ్య